The vaccine's great that, if we can help prevent the further spread of this disease, we can make people feel better, safer.
What about Brian?
Ready?
That'll be fine.
Sit.
It's going to benefit everyone so much by the population and this pandemic. I have a young child at home, 6-month-old daughter, so I want to make sure I'm safe at home and not bringing home things from work that I can spread to my daughter that can cause her illness, my wife, my parents or elder. So I want to make sure everyone's safe around me. I was hopeful. I mean, it's good that everyone here will have the opportunity to protect themselves and those around them. We can lead by example in the community by saying, we're taking the vaccination. It's something you can take and be safe. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people dying from COVID. They have lung issues, they have heart issues. Their whole lives are upended. So it's just one more measure to protect myself, one more thing we have in the pipeline to protect ourselves and those around us.